Have you ever been called a coward for being wise? Have you ever felt the weight of everyone's judgment while you quietly worked on something they couldn't see? Have you ever watched others chase glory in the distance while you tended something precious right where you stood? What if everything the world calls failure is actually the greatest wisdom? Then this video is for you. This is the story of the fisherman who refused the ocean. 40 years ago, old Kento was the village's finest fisherman. His catches were legendary. His courage was unmatched. Then came the storm, the one that changed everything. He survived, but something inside him didn't. From that day forward, Kento's boat never left the harbor, not once. The village whispered, "He's broken. He's lost his courage. What a waste." His son, Hiroshi, couldn't understand, couldn't forgive. "Father, please, just once, show them you're still the man you were." Kento only smiled gently and returned to his work. Tourists began photographing him, the fisherman who won't fish, a curiosity, a joke. But while the others chased the horizon, Kento studied the harbor. He documented every current, every temperature shift, every pattern of baitfish. He learned secrets the deep-sea fishermen would never see. While others hunted, Kento farmed, quietly, patiently, building something no one noticed. The successful fishermen returned with their catches, laughing at the old man playing in puddles. But Kento saw what they couldn't. The ocean was changing. Climate change devastated the deep waters. The legendary fishing grounds went silent. Panic spread through the village. Their way of life was dying. Hiroshi came to his father again, this time, not with shame, but with fear. "Father, the village is starving. Please, if you know something, anything." Kento finally spoke. "Come, let me show you what 40 years of patience looks like." They looked beneath the surface and gasped. The harbor Kento had abandoned was more alive than the ocean had ever been. Schools of fish, healthy breeding grounds, a sustainable ecosystem, thriving in the shallows everyone ignored. Word spread. The village came running. They stared in disbelief. The coward had saved them all. Hiroshi fell to his knees beside his father. "I'm sorry, I never understood." Kento lifted his son's chin. "The world calls patience cowardice, until patience saves the world." The village learned to fish Kento's way. Small catches, sustainable rhythms, respecting the cycles. What was once mocked became the village's salvation. Old Kento watched from his dock, the same dock he'd never left. He hadn't run from the ocean. He'd understood it better than anyone. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is stay exactly where you are and build.